Good morning, guys. Today, guys, we assembly disassemble of this Mach 25 Scuba Pro Mach 25 Evo, guys. So first is we take out this screw. Take out this one. This is a yoke screw. Take out this one. Then take the socket. This is a socket. Put here. Use this front handle. Front handle, the big one. Here. This. Then take the extension. And then this one. So like this, simple, the whole like this. One click, okay. Once you take out, like this. This is the basic way how to disassemble of the Scuba Pro Mach MK25 Evo. This next is this cap. Take out this cap using by this here. Side out. This. Then this one take like this using the universal tools. This situate this one flat. Okay. Then just hold like this. Once it's flat already, undo. This one. This is spring. This is spring. This is piston. This is piston. So this is the soft motion. This is the sleeve. This is the wing. So this one, we use this number 22. Use this one number 22. Yep. Then this. This is basic way or basic tutorial how to take out this one. So the inside one, so we use the wood to prevent the bushing in the O-ring is scratched. So take out this one. So there's a component inside. We have two spring spacer. This is called spacer. O-ring set inside. So take out this one. This is the bushing here. The Mach, the MK25 now we have the bushing here. So now take out this one. Use this small. This is the swivel. So this cap. This is this one. It's guys. So this is the component inside the MK25 Evo. It's the thing inside of it. That's all. It's very basic how to disassemble the MK25 Evo. Scuba for MK25 Evo guys. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoy or you can get some idea how to take out. So you must use the proper tools. This socket number 22, full handle, flat screw, socket, extension drive, universal tools. That's it guys. See you later. I will assemble this one. Thank you guys.